I won't be showing you how to make a fidget machine, but I will show you. Well, I won't show you, I'll tell you. But, so, I cut my finger while doing it. So, what's first to do is get a toilet paper roll. The one. So, get color it, get a box, make it like this. Then, it's so easy, color it. Make sure it's like the back is off. Here, let's pop it in there. Then what you need to do, hold on, I can actually take this section. You need to cut 2 slits so it can fit. Then hit it in. And then like this, put a fidget in there. Look, down now. Hold on. What fidget do I want? I know that's the coin slot right here. But I need to make coins. Then you twist it.
Oh, we gotta race you. Alright, let's do it. You ain't ready for me. Hey, we just gotta move like this.
Then you grab it. Then, yeah, that's it, and I will be posting another video. Bye.